There is a ghost in the world of modern photography. For the last 5 years, a specific seat at the table has sat empty. While the world rushed toward AI-driven autofocus, massive video specs, and cameras that look more like computers than tools, a small, dedicated group of purists stayed behind. They weren't looking for more megapixels or faster frame rates. They were looking for a feeling. They were looking for the successor to the most controversial, most misunderstood, and yet most beloved rangefinder of the digital age, the FUJIFILM X-Pro series. And today, the silence is finally breaking. As we move deeper into 2026, the leaks from FUJIFILM's headquarters in Minato, Tokyo, have reached a boiling point. The FUJIFILM X-Pro 4 isn't just a rumor anymore. It is a reality that is currently being tested in the hands of a few select ex-photographers across the globe. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. But this isn't the camera you think it is. FUJIFILM has realized that the X-Pro 3 was a gamble. Love it or hate it machine that pushed some away while drawing others into a cult-like obsession. With the X-Pro 4, they aren't just making a better camera. They are trying to answer a fundamental question. In an era where everyone is a photographer, what does it mean to actually take a photo? Stay with me, because we are going deep into the leaked 40-megapixel sensor, the first ever inclusion of IBIS in a rangefinder body, and the secret film simulation that is rumored to change everything. This is the definitive deep dive into the FUJIFILM X-Pro 4. To understand why the X-Pro 4 is the most anticipated camera of 2026, we have to look back at the hidden screen drama of the X-Pro 3. It was a move that defined the series. FUJIFILM hid the LCD, forcing you to look through the viewfinder, trying to replicate the experience of film. Some called it genius, others called it an overpriced gimmick. But for the X-Pro 4, the data from the US and European markets is clear. People want the purest experience, but they need modern reliability. The leaks suggest that FUJIFILM is moving toward a triple-state screen. A screen that can stay hidden for the purists, tilt for the street photographers, but also provide the high-resolution feedback needed for professional work. It's a compromise that feels like a victory. But the real story isn't the screen. It's the heart of the machine. For the first time in the history of the X-Pro line, we are seeing the 40-megapixel X-Trans 5HR sensor integrated into this slim rangefinder body. For years, the X-Pro was seen as a street camera, low resolution, fast, and light. But by bringing the 40-megapixel sensor from the X-H2 and X-T5 into the X-Pro 4, FUJIFILM is elevating this camera into a professional landscape and editorial powerhouse. Imagine the detail of a medium-format look in a body that fits in your jacket pocket. But how do you handle that resolution without blur? This brings us to the most significant leak of 2026, in-body image stabilization, or IBIS. Rangefinder purists have long argued against IBIS, claiming it adds bulk and ruins the feel. But FUJIFILM has reportedly engineered a miniaturized 5-axis stabilization system specifically for the X-Pro 4. We're talking about 7 stops of compensation. This means you can walk through the streets of New York or Los Angeles at blue hour, shooting at a shutter speed of half a second, handheld, and get tack-sharp images. It's a game changer for the available light photographer. But let's